Hi friends, welcome to GMK tutorials. So ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైనా మన ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుండా ఉంటే please subscribe our channel. Still you will get a lot of you will give a lot of motivation for us regarding the videos point of view, and your support is always appreciation from my side. So thank you for your being every part of the situation with us. So as well as today we are going to start a new topic, that is machine learning. Okay, so basically learning means that there is a learning means generally it has been learning. So learning means that just knowing the information regarding the task or something else. Like, so what is meant by machine learning? Machine learning. So how we are that means how the human being is known the information, at the same time the machine also can learn the corresponding information by observation or anything else. Okay, so how that means simply how we are trying the machine to know the information. So that is just a simple meaning of the machine learning. So just we will go through the basics. So where we started machine learning, what is the source for this one? Okay, so in the previous in the last couple of 20 years back, a computer program is one of the most important program that is ruling at that time. The IBM introduces the chess game in the computer. So at that time, if you play the chess game in the computer, we need a lot of information regarding the chess, as well as we need to train the system in every aspect of decision, as well as we need to defeat the champion, the person who played with the system. So at that time we need a lot of information to know the corresponding system to take a decision, how the opposite person take the decisions in the corresponding game. So at that time it is one of the most important and most ruling at that time. So at that time the machine learning is only up to the games in the computer, but nowadays the machine learning find in so many areas in the real-time applications. So it is also it can be recommended toys to toddlers, much same as in the suggest technology to Greek in the literatures of the, so that it is also applicable for the toys nowadays. It can be found in so many applications, so many areas. At the same time, machine learning is also used for the future market to help amateur traders for the compete with the seasoned stock traders. That means it is also useful to take the decisions in the past information in the stock market. Also it is also find in the oncologist find whether the tumor is a malignant or benign. That means in the medical areas also machine learning is already introduced in the to find the so many areas. The machine learning is also crucial role. It is also helps in the energy consumption, that is also in the green point of view. As well as the Google is nowadays focusing on so much of interest in the machine learning, how to perform the task and all those things. So it is also focusing in one of the most front running focusing. So that is nothing but machine learning and artificial intelligence are to play a very important role in the nowadays in the 21st century, because of nowadays the world is very evolving and very quickly moving with technology. So many applications of self-driving cars, so many applications. The robotic applications also can be done. The machine can be learned by so many ways. We can train the corresponding robot to take a decision in the particular situation. These all can be done with the help of a fundamental of the machine learning and artificial intelligence. So the Google is also taking so much of attention on researching for the areas. So for that purpose, Google self-driving car and Google Brain being the two most ambitious projects of the Google in the journey of the innovation in the field of a machine learning. These are the Google projects that can be focusing on in the machine learning applications. So that's why the machine learning is how much importance is the real-time application. This is just a simple way of information regarding the machine learning. So before going to the evaluation, so when we started this machine learning, so this kind of the information gives you regarding the evaluation of the machine learning. So in the 1950s, around 1950s, uh, Alan Turing progresses the learning mission he introduced in the 1952. At the same time, in the 1952, Arthur Samuel developed the first machine learning program that could play a checkers. In the 1952, Frank Rosenblatt designed the first neural network program simulating the human brain. In the 1962, nearest neighbor algorithm is created. The start of the basic pattern recognition. That means if you want to identify any patterns, so that can be possible in the nearest neighbor algorithm. So this is also one of the applications already finding in the like image processing. I think if you have any basic idea in the neighboring algorithms, like how we are going to performing the clustering like that. So that means the pattern can be identified with the help of a mission by in the year 1962. They can propose one algorithm that is nothing but nearest neighbor algorithm created for pattern recognition. At the same time, after that, in the 1979 also, Stanford University student developed the first self-driving car that can navigate and avoid the obstacles in the room. In the 1982, journey started in the same thing. So that is nothing but 1982 also recurrent neural networks is also developed. So 1989 reinforcement learning computation, and these are beginning for commercialization of a machine learning. So the recurrent neural networks and the neural networks also, these are all the fundamental principles to train the system to take a decision in the particular situation, because of whatever how the human brain thinking in the particular situation to take a decision, in the same way also the mission take a decision at a particular point of time. That is also very important. So for that purpose we have to train the system in all the ways how the human brain is going to be thinking in the particular situation. So for that purpose, these are all the fundamentals, as well as random forest and support vector machines algorithms. So these random forest and support vector machines are used as some databases for checking for the corresponding information, whether it is mapped with the database present in the corresponding system or not. So for such a kind of applications, this random forest and support vector machine technology is also used in the application. As well in the 1997, IBM Deep Blue beats the world chess champion Gray. So in the 1972, he started the IBM one computer, that is one mission computer. We can play the chess game in the computer itself only. So it is these are the evolutions for machine learning. So the machine learning is not only a simple one tool, it is a combination of so many tools. So that's why after that so many applications are there. So in the first machine learning competition launched by the Netflix, it is also deep learning, and the 2010 also website for machine learning competitions launched. In the 2011, IBM Watson beats two human champions in Jeopardy. In the 2016 also, Google AlphaGo program beats the handicapped professional human player. So these are all the different evaluations for machine learning. Started from the around 1952 up to 2016. So many evaluations in the machine learning part. Because of these are all the very fundamentals and fundamental tools for the machines to take a decisions, or maybe to train the system in the different ways. It helps a lot. So this is a very just a brief introduction about the what is machine learning, and why introduction of the machine learning, and what is the evaluation of the machine learning. So thank you guys for your support. I will be very thankful for each and everyone for supporting GMT. So please subscribe our channel and like and subscribe. And so thank you.